Hello students, this question is taken from test series 5 EE from the subject measurements from the topic measurement of basic electrical quantities 2 and it is of 2 marks question. The meter constant of 230 volts 10 ampere watt hour meter is having 1850 revolution per kilowatt hour, which is nothing but given the voltage meter constant having the voltage of 230 volts and 10 ampere watt hour meter is having 1850 revolutions per kilowatt hour is 1850. The meter is tested at half load and the rated voltage and unity power factor. So this meter is tested at half load, so and the rated voltage and unity power factor, which is given the unity power factor, which is nothing but cos theta is 1. The meter found to make 90 revolutions in 140 seconds is given. The value of meter is found to make 90 revolutions in 140 seconds, that is t is equal to 140 seconds. We have to find the value of error of meter at half load. We have to find the value of meter error, that is nothing but percentage error at half load. First we will calculate the actual energy consumed at half load, that is nothing but half of the energy at full load, which is nothing but complete energy at half load is nothing but the half of the energy at the full load. So the formula for energy at full load is nothing but Vi cos theta by 2 Vi cos pi into T, which is nothing but half of the nothing but Vi cos pi by 2 into T into 10 power minus 3. We know the value of V, that is given 230 volts, current given 10 ampere into unity power factor means cos theta is 1 by 2, which is nothing but T is given 140 seconds, which is nothing but 140 seconds, nothing but 140 by 3600 seconds, which is for kilowatt hour. We'll calculate the value of T by 360 degrees 3600 seconds into 10 power minus 3. After solving this value, we'll get the actual energy consumed at half load is nothing but half of the energy at full load, that is 44.72 into 10 power minus 3 kilowatt hour. We have calculated the actual energy consumed at half load. What is the energy recorded is nothing but number of revolutions made by revolutions per kilowatt hour. Number of revolutions made is given 90, meter is found to make 90 revolutions, that is 90 by revolutions per kilowatt hour is nothing but watt hour is having the 1850 kilowatt hour. After solving this value, the energy recorded is nothing but we'll get 48.64 into 10 power minus 3 kilowatt hour. After solve, we know the value of actual energy consumed at half load and energy recorded. Then we can calculate the value of percentage error. What we have to find? The percentage error formula is nothing but energy recorded minus actual energy consumed by actual energy consumed. We know the value of energy record, that is 48.6 into 10 power minus 3 minus actual energy, that is at half load is 44.72 into 10 power minus 3 kilowatt hour divided by actual energy consumed is nothing but 44.72 into 10 power minus 3 kilowatt hour. After solving this value, we will get the percentage error as 3.92 into 10 power minus 3 kilowatt hour, which is option D. In this session, we have studied about how to calculate the percentage error at the given half load, and the given condition is watt hour meter is having 1850 revolutions per kilowatt hour and the meter is found to make 90 revolutions in the 140 seconds. Thank you.